Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian and ta-da! I did it! I got it in! This is a microwave oven combo and it takes up exactly where I had the first shelf for. So a couple of things. First of all, this thing is like 200 pounds. It wasn't fun and easy to move around. I'm not happy with a lot of things right now. And I'm not going to work on it because it is 110 degrees outside. I was sweating my backside off moving this and trying to get this installed. If it wasn't for the microwave, it wouldn't be so heavy. The microwave adds a considerable amount of weight. The oven doesn't weigh anything once you take the door off. It's only got the one display that works. It doesn't have any number buttons, so I can't put things in for a minute, 6-0 and go. I have to play with the rotary dial, and I don't know how I feel about that just yet. The other thing is this. That's the shelf the old oven sat on. It's raised up a little bit off the bottom. And what I'm going to end up doing is when it cools off and it's not 100 plus degrees outside, is I'm going to pull the oven out again, move that shelf completely, and push the oven in and drop it down a little bit. Because right here is real close to this door. I mean, this door can open. But I want it below the door so I can take this size of door and bring it over here and be good to go. And then it's just some trim pieces because, yeah, I shouldn't be able to do that. So, and it's not secure. I mean, it's kind of weeby wobbly. Yeah, but it's okay as long as we're not hanging off of it. So I need to get the trim installed. I need to get it secured. I need to get it dropped down. So there's a couple of things I'm going to work on in the future, but it's in, it does work. There is power, there was no smoke, no sparks, no flames. The circuit breaker didn't trip when I flipped it on. And it's a wonderful thing. It is a very good upgrade from what we had. And then I'm going to tear that silly microwave out and put in a proper hood because I'm tired of not having space over the stovetop. Let's go through my day and you can kind of see what I dealt with, and then we'll come back here and we'll wrap it all up. Well, it's here. Let's get a close up on the dimensions. It's a big one. 42 1/3 high, 200 to 300 pounds. It's a big box. So what did we get? We got us a GE. And it's slate, so it'll match the dishwasher. And this is the oven microwave combo. So I'm going to tear into this box and we'll see what we got. Glad I made space. I had to make room in the cabinets for the extra height. So now I need to take as much of it off as I can so that it's lighter to lift and move. It does come pre-wired, which is nice. Okay, this thing is really heavy. It's almost impossible for me to move by myself. So my current plan is I need to get it from here to there to inside this cabinet right here. Now, I got the old one out by using this bench right here. That's part of my kitchen. So my current plan is I'm going to get some furniture sliders for this bench. I'm going to put the blanket on top of the bench and I'm going to finagle this silly thing on top. And then I'm going to slide it across the floor using the furniture sliders to get it here right in front of this opening so I can at least wire it up. And then we'll go from there. So fingers crossed, a Ginger's plan works. Here's to hoping. I love it when a plan comes together. It worked. It's in the kitchen. Doing the wiring now. You didn't turn the breakers on, did you? Because I certainly didn't. So I'm going to finish up this wiring and then I'm going to figure out how to get it from here to here. And it will fit, but just barely. So that's the next step. Well, good news. There's power. No sparks. Breaker didn't trip. And it's got power. So last step, getting it into the cabinet. which is not going to be fun or easy. See you in a bit. Okay, that was it. And then getting it in the door to the kitchen was a bit of a challenge, especially with how heavy it was. But my brilliant, terrible idea worked out. And no one got hurt, which is very important. And nothing got damaged, which is also very important. Because for the money that I paid for this, I would feel... she'd kill me. She really would. But I like it so far, except for the rotary knobby dialy thing. But otherwise, it's a heck of an upgrade. And I'm looking forward to removing that microwave. I'm not going to do a video on that. It's just me taking down a microwave. Unless you guys want to see me take down a microwave. I still need to find a hood. It's probably going to be GE, and I'm going to shoot for this same color because now the dishwasher and oven match, and that's good. As I mentioned when I tore the old oven out, this and the dishwasher, and if I redo the cabinetry, it's going to be a whole new kitchen, and it's going to look a heck of a lot better. So it's a pretty major upgrade for us. I'm happy it worked out. I'm happy we got it done. It's 16 inches front to back, and I gained a good deal of real estate in the microwave. And this is also a convection oven, so it's a dual microwave convection oven. So I've got two ovens effectively. I'm happy about that. Thank you for watching. This has been a Ginger Can. Again, my name is Brian, and I got a 200-pound oven into my cabinetry today, and wired and working, and it's a beautiful thing. So if you've got any home improvement projects or you want to tackle some appliance, comment down below with what you've got scheduled coming up. If you have questions, put them down below, and someone, me or one of my friends, will try to point you in the right direction. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed and you found this helpful, entertaining, or even a little bit informative, give me that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. That's all I got for you today. I need a shower. I'll catch you all in the next video.